The world is filled with information which are done as by human in order to save our life survival. Have you wondered how we were able to do this? You must be, so let me ask you another question. Do you know the term optical fiber? Oh well, you should, as this will answer to our first question. In 1952, the first actual fiber optical cable was invented by a physicist from UK Narendse Company. Actually, this was first used in endoscopy before use in telecommunication field. I will send a message to Shylen. It was sent. It's good, right?
Each letter represented by binary codes with high and low frequency waves. The phone will be transmitted using electromagnetic waves. As this reaches the local cell tower, high frequency generates a light pulse which carries the information.
How does the light behave at this rate? Let us go further for us to understand better. Look at this, glass with pencil. When a light passes through the glass, its speed changes, causing the pencil to make it look like bending. Knowing that the glass is denser than the air, the occurrence is called as refraction.
Let's take a look at the figures. In the second figure, the light came back to the first medium. This is called total internal reflection. This is what optical fiber cable is made up of.
I will try to message Flenddie, who is 200 kilometers away from me. It's failed. Why? This event is called signal attenuation due to scattering and absorption. The solution for this is the amplifiers in cables which shorten the signal for a very long distance together with the power drawn on it from nearby sources.
Optical fiber cables are located under the ground and below the ocean. Let us consider the pie graph as the undersea cable. Smaller portion is holding the optical fiber and the rest is the mechanical structure for protection. I know you're wondering why the amplifier have the power even located under from the deep ocean. The reason for this is that inside the cable, a thin copper shell is useful in carrying the electric power along the cable, resulting also a power given to the amplifier. Furthermore, fiber optic cable is one of the most useful technologies that ever invented. Without it, our life will be dull, especially in this time of pandemic, wherein companies, schools, hospitals, and other facilities uses internet.